What I really like about the way we run our company is that we have a lot of trust with our clients. They know that they don't have to babysit us. We do what we say because we have outlined our scope really well and tight in the beginning. So we know what the expectations are for our crews and our supervisors. We know exactly what needs to be done. We keep all of our materials on site, and it's communicated with the crews, with the client, with our office. We have an app internally that keeps everything in check. Anytime that there is any kind of change, it's put in the app, it's listed, and it's also communicated with the crew. Our supervisors know also, so the kind of like thread of communication is never really broken. There's never really surprise. It's not the case that a cleaner comes to a site and that there's something out of place, or a key is in a new place, or a code has changed without pretty much everybody knowing. Our goal is really to over-communicate and make sure that there's no surprises, so it's an easy place to work and communicate for us all. The biggest difference is we don't need to be babysat. I don't like being babysat. I don't like to babysit my crews, and so we try to make sure that that's happening kind of automatically.